Adam Wahid here with Adam Wahid Real Estate Group. Today we're here to introduce you to our newest listing in the heart of Brentwood. And this is my partner, Keenan. Keenan, tell them a little bit about the building and unit.
So what makes this building phenomenal is the unique chic features such as the high-end finishings, the great amenities, and the phenomenal location we're here in Brentwood. So let's take you guys inside.
Let's go. So here we are inside the unit. As you can see the kitchen here, beautiful chic kitchen with some built-in appliances. If you look here, such as a fridge, I mean, all tucked away, hidden, and including the freezer down here. Looking over here, you have a nice island here with lots of countertops. You have stone countertops that also carries on to the backsplash, which is easy to clean, much easier to clean. We have built-in appliances. You have nice Italian stainless steel appliances with a gas range. Now, one of the other features that I like about this island or this unit as well is this pull-out that turns into dining for two, which is really nice. So you can have your counter space to use for anything else you may need to. The other thing about this unit is also it's a very functional layout. For the square footage, this unit is extremely functional. And Keenan's gonna share with you guys a little more as far as some of the uniqueness in this unit compared to the other ones in Brentwood. Keenan?
In Brentwood, under 600K, there's a handful of homes. Not all of them come with parking and locker. This one does. You have a nice view overlooking the garden, opening up to facing east. Huge patio. Just some of the features that you'll get with the unit.
If you guys have any further questions in regards to the unit, feel free to reach out to us or check out our website. Other than that, have a great day.